It's believed there was a church here before the arrival of the Normans after they invaded South Wales in 1093. The church was in a terrible state. It had previously been renovated in 1879, and they'd used cement mortar to point the building and render the walls. And of course that doesn't allow the walls to breathe, and they were getting really damp. And of course the render was starting to fall off the walls, fall off the archway, and it really did need urgent attention. And there were other things, that the heating was no good, the lighting was archaic, there were so many things to do. And also when I first retired here in 2006 and came into this, what I thought was a Victorian church, I see two medieval effigies, and suddenly I think there's more to this story than meets the eye. And as we found out, there was. So we put forward a bid for support in order to completely renovate this building, and also to conduct research into the medieval story of the community. And that brought up some gems. Now that the building's been renovated, we're using the building, I wouldn't say 7 days a week, but you know, there is something going on in here every week, especially during the winter. It's beautifully warm, as you can see. And we've had Welsh classes in here, music reading classes, there's embroidery classes. We also run a film club. We show a film every month. And we have winter lunchtime concerts as well. And we're able to do it now. You know, it is so easy to just turn the church around to do that. We're going to use the grant for a depository to store a lot of clutter that's here. We needed somewhere where we can store all this extra stuff that's easy to get at, but it's out of the way, and it keeps the place looking tidy. Well, the grant will make an incredible difference, because it will, as I say, allow us to have a nice tidy church for the first time in many, many years.